wanna ride with me, catch a vibe with me, go get high with me, yeah. Shorty, I'm a riding G, I'm a dying piece, I'm a ride with me.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today also we are going to discuss about a very wonderful app, and if you want to become a very good astronomer, or you want every day will do a sky watch, this app can help you in finding out the stars, planets and all. So its name is the sky map, which you can find here. This is the sky map. So we'll open it. So first it will ask the where is your this one place, and what you can do, you can see, but what is this, what problem mean you want means, what problem is there in this app means, you should have a inbuilt compass in this so that you can see everywhere. And so to see, you have to make a inbuilt compass. You cannot make it, but you should have. And I am having a inbuilt compass, which you can see here. I'm having an inbuilt compass, so I'm able to use the sky map app. So now I can search here like Mars. Okay, I got it, and it's showing where is Mars. So it's here somewhere. Yeah, it's here. So if you have a telescope, it's good and well. You can see Mars, but you cannot see full. It looks like a star. Okay. Now I will search for a star called M71, major object called as M71. So it's this side. So where it is? Okay, M71 is here. So you know guys, M71 is 17 light years uh, far from Earth. So it's here. I have a telescope, I can see through it. And now I'll search for our moon. So oh my god, it's somewhere here. Yeah, because today we cannot see moon, because okay, you can see, oh my god, Chandrayaan 2. I remember it was, if it was a successful mission, I would have. See, you can see moon. Chandrayaan 2 is in the dark side of the moon now. So but it is a successful mission guys. Chandrayaan 2 is a successful mission. And now we'll search for Neptune. Okay, Neptune is here, so it's near Mars. I will today search for Neptune in my telescope. So guys, if you have a telescope, it's a very good app you can use. And now I'm gonna search this what, Saturn. No, I'm gonna search for constellation. You can even see constellation guys from this. So Gemini. Okay. Okay, oh my god, it's near moon. So moon is here. So you can see aim is showing like Gemini. You can see here this one. So that's showing. So that's it for today's video guys, and I will show you many of the technology what it can and even today I will show you the ISS detector, which is also a good app. And what you can do is, so you can see the live video. Okay, details we'll see. So now the ISS is somewhere here. Oh, somewhere here.